To exploit XGi technology to the full, this is the procedure to follow for initial startup. Connect the coffee grinder to the electrical supply and turn on the switch. A welcome message is displayed on the screen, along with the initial startup and language selection menu. Set the nominal grams of coffee to dispense. Use the continuous grinding button and dispense the coffee for at least 10 seconds so that the grinding chamber fills up completely. Perform a few extraction tests to determine the desired grind size. Allow the scales to record the tear. It's important not to touch the coffee grinder during this process. Dispense a single dose and a double dose of coffee. These two doses are used as samples by the software. Allow the scales to record the two sample doses to complete the initial startup procedure. Perform these steps every time you deem it necessary to set the coffee grinder again, for instance after changing the blends.